Hey y'all, this week's quick tip is about using drop-down chips inside Google Sheets, just like this. So if you want to be able to create your own and have them all set up in your sheet, let me show you how this works. So we've had this ability before, but it's been updated and they're calling it drop-down chips. I tend to refer to it as a drop-down menu. But when you want to have that drop-down option right here in front of you. So I have a mock-up of a lesson planning sheet that I have created, and under format, I gave myself the options to choose between whole group, small group, independent, and online. And so that way I can easily just select the chip as opposed to having to write it every single time. Okay, to set up your dropdown, you're going to go to Insert, and down underneath checkbox, you're going to see the option for dropdown. And this is where you can set it up. Notice it is going to apply it to the range that you are selecting. Don't worry about that right now because you can easily copy and paste and move this around. And so we do have the option to have it a drop down or basically use this as a data validation rule. That's where this exists. So just so you know. So all you have to do is type in your options. So I have whole group, small group, independent, and online. Now, if you remember, mine were also color coded, just kind of helps them stick out a little bit more so at a glance you know what you're looking at. You can select this little dot right here and give them a color. I just kind of went in rainbow order to make them nice and pretty, and boom, that's it. Click done, and you'll notice it added the rule. So now we see our drop down. In this particular one, it is giving us just this gray box initially. And if we click this little corner and drag it down, we can have it now apply to all of those cells. And now every time we go in here, we can select the correct option and have that change. So it doesn't have to default to that top one like it does in Docs. If you remember, I did share this in Google Docs. I will link that below this video on how to do drop downs in Google Docs. But this is super easy. I really like it. I love that we can add that color. I think that kind of gives it an advantage over just the checkbox option. And try it out. If you use Google Sheets a lot, which you should, you definitely want to try this tip. If you like this tip, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, and subscribe so that you get notified when new tips come out each week. Bye, y'all.